the windmill used to sound so loud. I had this up all winter long, these cameras, and I could hear everything in the backyard where my chickens were. And you can see the volume on the laptop is all the way up. And I also have the live feed on my laptop. You can see the machine going by in the backyard, which is very, very loud, and I can barely hear it as it goes by the backyard. You can see the windmill there in front of the blue top. Normally, I would be able to hear that very loud and hear the chickens talking, chirping and stuff, and I can't hear them at all. And this feed is to help me keep them safe for when predators go by. And you can see here, the volume is all the way up. And I can't show you on my camera because I'm recording with the camera on my phone. But anyway, so I guess that's the video proof you were asking for, where the volume, the audio is gone on both cameras. Let me show you the other camera. I can pull up the side camera. I'm waiting for that one to load. It's taking a little longer right now. I will reboot this page. Okay, that's the side yard, the side camera, the side Eufy camera. And I'm going to turn the volume on over here. And I still can't really hear anything. I'm going to go back and pull that side camera up over here on the tablet. Let me go back to that camera. Okay. And I can't barely hear anything going on back there. So anyways, you asked me to send you a video, and here's the video, and I'm going to upload it to the YouTube for you.